Okay, retake. What does offset spatial divergence mean to me? What that means is that there's not just the ability to travel through time in our linear time as we know it, but we're talking more about being able to cross dimensional borders, even to the point of the outer banks of each dimension in which no reality as we know it exists. So within those banks or zones where you're out of any dimension, any time, then you're looking at sets of tunnels that you can slip and slide through, forward or back, laterally, up and down. You have to have technology that can travel at 90-degree turns in any direction. Let's say you're traveling through these banks, these zones or tunnels. When you look out your window, you can view bubbles of realities. And say we exist on the right side while traveling through one. We exist on the right side. Each bubble of reality has its own time periods in between, and each one represents maybe one of maybe trillions of worlds that are similar to ours. Maybe in another line, it's a world where reality could be that an atmosphere is solid. In another one, the atmosphere may be liquids. Per world or world of reality that you experience in each of those bubbles. So now, looking left, you may be looking at prehistory, but when talking about dimensions, prehistory of those dimensions. Maybe looking to the right, we're looking at the future of each dimension. There also may be dimensional barriers that are going up, and it may be that it's more advanced, or it could be the opposite. So when you look down, you have similar to looking up, you have dimensional barriers going up and down, and we don't know if each of those dimensions gets larger as you go upwards and smaller as you go downward. Now, I suspect that there's something like that because when you look at our own world, maybe it's created as an image of everything that's existing outside of our reality in each dimension. So you may have quark level material to the most advanced and complex of biological systems, right? And so as you come out of this dimension and you're looking up at other dimensional bubbles, other realities, then maybe everything is bigger. Maybe we're atomic sized. So as we look down, we might be seeing something that's closer or infinitely small. But we don't know. It could be the same size. But to our point of view, from our eyes, we would see everything smaller and smaller as it's further away. So is it smaller in fact? I don't know. Do we have to shrink more to get to those areas. Don't know. But something to think about.